Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we've got a vital topic to discuss: girls notice when you make these mistakes. In this video, we'll explore the common relationship blunders that often go unnoticed by men but are significant turn-offs for women. Understanding these mistakes can help you build healthier, more satisfying connections. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our content. Let's get started. Segment 1. Lack of communication. Communication is key in any relationship, and one of the first mistakes that girls notice is a lack of communication, not listening, not sharing your thoughts and feelings, or being dismissive can create distance and frustration. Segment 2. Taking her for granted. Taking her for granted is another significant mistake. Failing to show appreciation and neglecting the effort she puts into the relationship can be a major turn-off. Acknowledging and valuing her contributions is crucial. Segment 3. Ignoring her interests. Ignoring her interests and passions is a mistake that many men make. It's essential to take an interest in what matters to her. Engaging in her hobbies and supporting her pursuits can strengthen your connection. Segment 4. Being disrespectful. Disrespectful behavior, whether it's in public or private, is a big red flag. Girls notice when you don't treat them with respect. Respecting boundaries and treating her with courtesy is essential. Segment 5. Neglecting personal hygiene. Neglecting personal hygiene is a common mistake that can be a major turn-off. Poor grooming and cleanliness habits can affect your attractiveness. Taking care of yourself is a sign of self-respect and consideration for your partner. Segment 6. Being inconsistent. Inconsistency in your actions and words is something girls notice. It can lead to confusion and doubt about your intentions. Being consistent and reliable is important for building trust. Segment 7. Being self-centered. Being self-centered and not considering her needs is a mistake. It's crucial to be attentive and empathetic. Making her feel valued and cherished should be a priority. Segment 8. Not making an effort. Not making an effort in the relationship is another common mistake. Putting in minimal effort can lead to feelings of neglect. Planning dates, surprises, and demonstrating your commitment is vital. Segment 9. Trying to change her. Trying to change her or criticizing her can be a significant relationship blunder. Accepting her for who she is and supporting her growth is essential. Respect her individuality. Segment 10. Disregarding her opinions. Disregarding her opinions and making all the decisions is a common mistake. It's important to involve her in choices and value her input. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and collaboration. Segment 11. Jealousy and insecurity. Jealousy and insecurity can be detrimental to a relationship. It can create tension and affect her trust in you. Building self-confidence and trust can help overcome these issues. Segment 12. Not being supportive. Not being supportive of her dreams and goals is a mistake that girls notice. Encouraging her to reach her potential is crucial. Your support can make a significant difference in her life. Segment 13. Neglecting quality time. Neglecting quality time together is a mistake. Time spent together is essential for maintaining a strong connection. Regularly planning meaningful activities is important. Segment 14. Failing to apologize. Failing to apologize and admit when you're wrong is a common mistake. Taking responsibility for your actions is a sign of maturity. Apologizing and making amends when necessary is essential. Segment 15. Being distracted by devices. Being constantly distracted by devices, whether it's your phone or other screens, is a mistake that girls notice. Being present and attentive is important for meaningful interactions. Segment 16. Not showing affection. Not showing affection is a mistake. Physical touch and verbal expressions of love are crucial for a healthy relationship. Make an effort to be affectionate and romantic. Segment 17. Withholding emotions. Withholding your emotions and not being vulnerable can be a significant mistake. Sharing your thoughts and feelings is crucial for building intimacy. Being emotionally available can strengthen your connection. Segment 18. Being passive-aggressive. Being passive-aggressive in conflicts is a common mistake. It's important to communicate openly and resolve issues directly. Addressing issues maturely can lead to healthier discussions. Segment 19. Neglecting your appearance. Neglecting your appearance can be a turn-off. Self-care and grooming are essential for maintaining your attractiveness. Taking pride in your appearance can make you more appealing. Segment 20. Failing to keep promises. Failing to keep promises is a mistake that girls notice. Trust is built on reliability and consistency. Honor your commitments to strengthen your trustworthiness. In conclusion, it's crucial to be aware of these common relationship mistakes and work on avoiding them. Remember, no one is perfect, and we all make mistakes, but acknowledging them and working on improvement is a sign of growth and maturity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with love, understanding, and lasting connections.